In this video we are talking about if Render token is going to the upside or if we see again a move to lower levels. As you can see, we are on the weekly chart right now and we are seeing higher prices for Render token. We right now came into the supply zone and this supply zone caused the last lowest low. But with this weekly candle we saw a higher high right here. So it's looking really bullish now for Render token. And in the last video we were at this prices right here. And I said that I moved into a long position right here on Render token and that I think the chances high that we see even higher prices for Render token. I will show you now the clip from the last video. So I went into a long position on my HODL portfolio after this daily close. And as you can see, the price pumped perfectly to the upside. First of all, we broke this last high right here, which caused this lower low. So we saw this break of structure right here. We made higher lows all the way and higher highs. So we are clearly in a bullish daily structure with a lot of bullish momentum to the upside. So for me, the chances are that we are moving more to the upside. And as you can see, after this we went perfectly to the upside. We saw the strong bullish explosion and we made a higher high right here. So congrats to everybody who took a trade here on Render token. But now the question is, can we continue this bullish move to the upside or do we see now a move to lower levels again? So first of all, we are now in a very bullish structure. As you can see, we made higher highs all the way and higher lows. In the past we found some support in this order block and this demand zone, and from this we made this explosive move and made a higher high. So right now Render token is looking really bullish. But as you can see, we are in this supply zone right now, and as you can see, we also finding some resistance right here because we are in this strong supply zone which caused the last lowest low. So the chance was really high that we find some resistance right here. And now for me it's very important, if we want to see higher prices for Render token, that we are breaking this supply zone to the upside with a daily or weekly body close. Because if we are breaking this supply zone to the upside, then I think the chance is extremely high that we see even higher prices for Render token. So I think the chance is very high that we see an explosive move, and especially if we are breaking this supply zone to the upside with a daily or weekly body close, then I think the chance is high that we see an explosion for Render token. But if we are not moving out of this supply zone to the upside, then I think the chance is high that we see a consolidation and lower prices, and then it's really important that we don't break this last low right here. Because if we are coming down to this level and we are breaking this level with daily or weekly body close, then I think the chance is high that we see even lower levels for Render token. But if anything interesting happens for Render token, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Render token. So all in all, we saw this crazy bullish explosion for Render token. Congrats to everybody who took a trade here on Render token as well. We right now seeing this bullish structure right here and we made a higher high with this last move, which is a really bullish sign for Render token. And I think the chance is high, if we are breaking this supply zone to the upside and we see a daily or weekly body close, that we then see an explosion move for Render token. And as long as we don't see a body close under this last low right here, then I think the chance is high that we see even higher prices for Render token. So this was it for this video. Comment down below which altcoin do you want to see in the next videos. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.